Good morning, student. Today we will going to learn about chapter number 22, this and this, that and those. So take out your English grammar 1 book and open the page number 47 and 48. So look here. Look at these pictures and read the sentences. We use this and this for naming words which are near us. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Elephant is a near. These are books. These are books. Right? एक से भी ज़्यादा बुक है इसलिए दिस का उपयोग यहाँ पे किया जाता है. These are books. Right? We use that and those for naming words that are far from us, not near us. Right? आपके पास नहीं होता, दूर होता है, तो यहाँ पे that का यूज किया जाता है. That is a bird. Those are boats. Right? We use this and that for naming words that mean one, means यहाँ पे one objective, one person, one thing होती है. So write down here, this is a giraffe, जो आपके पास होता है but one thing. So we use this. And जो आपसे दूर होता है but one thing, so we use here that. Right? And we use this or those for naming word that mean more than one. These are pens. These are pens. Those are balloons. Those are balloons. So I will show you another example. So look here. Here is a ice cream. Right? This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. That is a car. That is a car. Car is a far. That's why here using that. And these are pots. These are pots. Pot means more than one. That means more than one. So we use here this. Right? Here those are balls. Those are balls. But balls are far. Right? So we use those are balls. Again, I'm showing one example. This is a flower. This is a flower. So I show this is a matchbox. This is a matchbox. Right? Here that is a flower. That is a flower. Flower आपसे दूर है इसलिए that is a flower. So I will show you. That is a matchbox. That is a matchbox. right? These are flowers. These are flowers. Means that mean one, that mean more than one. These are, so we will use here these. These are flowers. See, these are matchbox. These are matchbox. And those are matchbox. Those are matchbox, right? See, last, those are flowers. Flowers means flowers दूर है इसलिए those are flowers, right? You can understood what I say. This का प्रयोग आपके जो पास होता है means we use these which are नियर अस, जो आपके पास होता है उसके लिए दिस का प्रयोग किया जाता है, दिस का यूज किया जाता है. और दैट का यूज जो ऑब्जेक्टिव थिंग्स या पर्सन मीन्स कोई ऑब्जेक्टिव मीन्स जो कोई थिंग्स होती है वो दूर होता है आपसे तो दैट का यूज किया जाता है. और एक से भी ज्यादा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव होते हैं लेकिन आपके पास में होते हैं तो उसके लिए दिस का उपयोग किया जाता है. और एक से भी ज़्यादा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव होते हैं वो दूर होते हैं तो उनके लिए दोज का यूज किया जाता है, राइट? सो लुक हियर, फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स विथ दिस और दिस और दिस, right? This boy. Boy means one person. So we will write here this. Rose. Rose means one flower. So we will write here this. Teddy bear. Teddy bear means one teddy bear. So we will write here this. Bed. Bed means one bed. So we will write here this. Cap. So we will write here one cap. So we will write here this cap. And here, so chairs. Chairs. So here, not chair, chairs. See, S. Chairs. That's why we use here, we will use these. Toys. Not one toy. Toys means that mean more than one. So we will write here these. Girls. Not one girls. One girl. Girls means more than one girls. So we will write here these. Tables. Not table, only table. One table, not here. Tables means one more than one, right? So we will write here these. Books. Not one book, more than one. So we will write here these. So second, B. Filling the blanks with that and those. Filling the blanks with that and those. Those का यूज कहाँ पे किया जाता है? जो एक से ज्यादा होते हैं लेकिन पास में होते हैं, दूर होते हैं तो उसका यूज किया जाता है दोज, और जो दूर होता है बट वन थिंग, वन पर्सन या वन ऑब्जेक्टिव, उसके लिए दैट का यूज किया जाता है. वी विल राइट हियर दैट. सो birds, not bird, birds. So we will use here those. Packet, one packet, that packet. Book, that book. Puppy, that puppy. Boat, that boat. Bags, no one bag, bags, more than one. So we will write here those. Ducks, here also write here those. Shoes, not one shoe. So we will write here those. Flags, so we will write here those. Fans, not one fan, fans. ज़्यादा, not one fan, means more than one. So we will write here those. And here see, look at here, tick the correct words given in bracket. ब्रैकेट में आपको जो वर्ड्स दिए है उस पर टिक करना है. सो आई एम रीड हियर. सेंटेंस नंबर 1. Nikki, please paint this picture. This picture. So tick here. Aeroplane is up in the sky. That aeroplane is up in the sky. Aeroplane कहाँ पे है? स्काई में, इसलिए यहाँ पे that का यूज किया है. This and these chairs are new. Chairs means more than one. That's why we will tick here this. You blow balloon. Which objective? You blow this balloon. Here tick. That and those, that oblique those. Peacock on the roof of the house is beautiful. Those peacock on the roof of the house is beautiful. Here tick those word. Here those and that. Bracket complete. Clouds are grey in color. Clouds, where is cloud? In a sky. So but no one cloud. That's why those clouds are grey in color. Right? D. Filling the blanks with that and that or those. Hills, not one hill. Hills means those hills. Elephant, one elephant, means we will write here that elephant. Right? Hut, one hut. So we will write here that hut. Birds, not one birds, birds. One more than, एक से भी ज़्यादा birds है. इसलिए यहाँ पे क्या यूज किया जाएगा, दोज. सो चिल्ड्रन, डू प्रैक्टिस एट योर होम, राइट, and complete your textbook, right? So do it properly. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.